What's going on YouTube? It's your guy Topdownkickz back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm back from my little break. So what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna take these UNC 11 lows, we're gonna check them out, we're gonna see what needs to be done. And first things first, we're gonna need a razor to unplug any rocks, debris, gum, gunk, and let's get it. Step 2, you want to make sure you take your laces out of your kicks because you want to make sure you clean these bad boys from inside to out. The next step is you want to take your laces with the kicks, head off to the wash machine because these bad boys is funky. They call them 12. But for your settings, you want to make sure it's on cold, not hot water, because hot water will separate your kicks. You don't want that, right? And for the chemicals, you can use a little tab of bleach with any of your liking of detergent. I use OxyClean. You know, let the water boil up, you know, let it mix, let the shoe settle, and then you can go ahead and start the wash machine and then, you know, check on it periodically because the wash machine can beat up your shoes. You can use some type of Bassett bag to protect the material so it won't leave no damage to your kicks. Make sure the setting's on delicate, don't have it on normal or heavy duty. Make sure it's on delicate. In this next step, you want to have gloves because we got this acetone with the rag. We're going to get what the wash machine couldn't get, right? We're going to get any stains, any dirt from the uppers, not on your patent leather, on the uppers. And also, you can use it on the bottom on your icy soles to lift up any remaining dirt before we proceed to the icing. Let's get it. Here are the results. I didn't get a chance to record my icing, but I give these bad boys 8 out of 10. Hit the like, comment, subscribe. Any questions, drop it in the comments. Hopefully I have an IG set up soon. But thanks for watching the video. Peace.